Good afternoon, Cowboys and Cowgirls. My name is Kirby. I'm an admissions representative here at the University of Wyoming. Today, I'm just going to be showing you how to get to WyoWeb, how to log in, and most importantly, what is on our checklist. So first of all, you're going to want to go to wyoweb.uwyo.edu. Then you're going to go in and click Obtain Username and Initial Password. Now, you're going to need your last name, your W number, and your date of birth in order to do this. You're going to click that. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to want to click New Student. You're going to want to put in your last name. You're going to want to put in your birthday. Once you have done all of these, you're going to want to make sure you put in your W number. Now, this W number has been emailed to you. If you do not have a W number or you don't remember it, please let us know. We will be happy to go in and find that for you. Okay? So you're going to want to make sure you take note of your username and your initial password. This is very important. You will not be able to change your password after this without having to call IT. After you've attained your initial username and password there, you're going to want to go back over to WyoWeb and log in with this student's page. Now, what you're going to want to do is type in that username. You're going to type in that password. Make sure you get it exactly right, or you will not be able to log in. And then you're going to want to click I want to change my password. That's very important the first time you do it. After that, you don't need to do it again, but you want to do it that first time. You're going to click log on. After you click log on, it's going to take you to a page that looks exactly like this. It'll say that your password has expired and you're going to need to click a new one. Once you've logged in with your updated password and your username, it's going to take you to a page that looks exactly like this. Now, this is a very important page to be familiar with. This checklist over here on the left is going to be everything that you're going to need to get done before your first day of classes here, okay? Most importantly is going to be confirming your intent and paying your deposit, that housing contract, and your MMR. You're not going to be able to register for classes come springtime when this happens. Now, it is also very important that you take this math placement exam. This is something that you're going to want to set aside time to do, okay? So when you click on this, it's going to take you to a page right here where you're going to be able to go in and take that exam, okay? Very, very important. When you click on this confirm intent to enroll, it's going to ask you this question here. You will have to pay that $300 deposit. They are due by May 1st for you guys coming in. Okay, May 1st is incredibly important. Now, the other thing to note is that you do have to pay your deposit before this link right here opens up, completing your housing contract. So if you would like to go in and complete that housing contract, you do need to pay that $300 deposit, okay? Very important. Now in this bottom area, this to-do checklist here, these are just general things that you might want to do or if you're curious about, right? Down here at the bottom for this menu, you have this option here for updating your personal information, registering for classes when that opens up. This student records button here is very important as well. You can find your transcripts, if you have any credits that you need transfer evaluated. My Wyoming students, if you have questions about your Hathaway eligibility, you can do that. You can also apply to graduate and click on that degree evaluation. So this is the kind of overview of WyoWeb. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us. Our admissions email is right up here on the top. We would love to hear from you. You can always give us a call. If you forget your password, you do have to call IT. They are the only people that are able to reset that password. Same thing with your two-step verification. If it's anything inside, we'll be happy to help you out. But if it's logging in itself, you will need to call IT. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Please let us know if you need anything, and go Pokes.